Okay, let's talk about wind energy. Wind energy is the fastest growing source of electricity in the world. Global wind energy capacity has gone from less than 10 gigawatts in 1996 to 300 gigawatts today. Denmark just happens to generate 26% of its electricity from wind. What are the benefits of wind energy? It is non-depletable, it's free, it's clean, and wind farms can share the land with other uses. So you could have wind turbines on cattle farms and it would be fine, or they could be in the ocean and they could not use land at all. So you can share the space, which is good. And what you've got here is these very big wind turbines, and the wind is turning them, which is turning a turbine and a generator and generating electricity. The drawbacks for wind energy is that the batteries to store the energy are really expensive and they're really hard to recycle. And the wind is unpredictable, so you don't exactly know when it's going to go or how much energy you can generate. There are things like bird and bat collisions with these very tall turbines, and there's a little bit of noise, and some people don't like the look of the big wind turbines. But those are really the drawbacks for wind. And we have heard recently in the news of quite a lot of parts of wind turbines that wear out, and there isn't really any way to recycle them. So this is going to add to the trash problem in the future. Okay, so everybody gets upset about wind turbines killing birds. And yes, this is a thing. But if you take a look at the average cat, if you let your cat outside, cats kill so many more birds than wind turbines do. And so you can see the collisions for wind turbines there are way down at the bottom. There's not even a bar there. It's 328,000. But look at how many birds are killed by your average house cat who just gets to go outside and kill all the animals they want to. That's an awful lot of birds. So also birds also collide with buildings, and those two things, cats and buildings, are much worse than wind turbines. And so it isn't really the problem that people say it is. Okay, where can we get wind from? What this graph is showing you is not where they do wind energy, but where they have the potential to do wind energy. So a lot of things along the coastline, a lot of things in the reds and the yellow section, and the oranges are potential places to do wind energy, but this map doesn't really show you all the places that actually are doing this. It just shows you where they could be done. This is showing you where the wind energy comes from in many different countries. So if you look at the whole European Union, they get 14% of their energy from wind, and Denmark is the winner here. Denmark gets 41% of its energy from wind sources. And the light blue is offshore, that would be in the ocean, and the dark blue is onshore. Denmark followed by Ireland, Portugal, Germany, Spain, the UK, Sweden, so lots of countries over there. Where is the United States on here? I don't see us on here. Oh, this is because it's just the European Union. That's why. Okay. And that's it. That's all about wind energy. So have you seen wind turbines? Just realize the benefits and the drawbacks of wind energy.